A very good morning and welcome to R13 Assembly. We have been learning about diversity. Diversity means accepting that everyone is different and respecting people for who they are. This story is about someone who was rejected because he was different. Once upon a time there was a mother duck. She had been sitting on her nest of eggs. One by one the eggs began to crack open and out came 5 little yellow ducklings. But one egg was laid. It was the biggest egg of all. So Mother Duck sat and said,
I wish this egg would hatch.
So the next day the egg began to crack and out came a big, grey, ugly duckling.
This duckling is too big and too ugly. It is not like my other beautiful yellow ducklings. Go away! You are too big and too ugly.
Poor ugly duckling.
I am so ugly and too big. I won't go away.
You want to see the head?
Will you be my friend? No! Go away! You are too big and too ugly.
Poor ugly duckling. He was very sad. He went to see the cat. Ugly duckling, he was so sad. One day, the ugly duckling saw some wild geese living nearby. Will you be my friend?
What an ugly duckling you are! We do not want you with us! Go away!
The ugly duckling went to hide in the tall grass and felt sadder than ever. He saw some great white birds flying across the sky.
I wish I were like them. They are so big and beautiful. Nobody chases them away.
The days grew colder and colder. Winter came. Ugly duckling was cold and hungry and went looking for food, but he got stuck in a frozen river and couldn't move.
Oh no! I will die here!
In the morning, a farmer saw the ugly duckling stuck in the ice.
I will help you. You better come home with me. I will let you stay in my farmyard until the winter is over.
But no one in the farmyard liked the ugly duckling. As soon as the days grew warmer, the ugly duckling was glad to get back to the river again. But just then, ugly duckling saw some big white birds landing nearby him.
Who are you? We are someone like you. But I am too big and too ugly to be someone like you. Look at yourself in the water. You are not too big and you are not too ugly. You are a beautiful white swan. I am a swan. I am a swan. I am a swan. I am really beautiful.
And the ugly duckling, who is now a beautiful swan, lived happily ever after.
hide in there, and very soon agreed, you're a very fine swan indeed. Swan? Me? A swan? Ah, go on. You're a swan. Take a look at yourself in the mirror, and you'll see. He looked, and he saw, and he said,
Why, it's me!
I'm not such a lovely duckling, no feathers all stubby and brown, for a fat these birds and so many birds and the best in town.
The best, the best.
The best in town. Not a quack, not a quack, not a wobble or a quack, butterfly and a whistle and a snow.